फाटल्या 10 वर्षाच्या तुलनेत अंदू 12वेचो निकाल उणो जाला। विद्यार्थी मदीं इलेक्ट्रॉनिक गॅजेटींचो वापर व्हडा प्रमाणात वाढिल्ल्यान ते अभ्यासाचेर लक्ष दिनात। शिक्षक कष्ट करतात पण विद्यार्थी अभ्यासात कष्ट करिनात, देखूनच 12वेचो निकाल उणो जाला, अशें गोवा बोर्डाचे अध्यक्ष भागीरथ शेट्टी हांणी सांगलें।
There are various reasons. Number one, you can see one is vocational stream. The result is down. Second one is science stream. You can also see it is down. And we have been receiving the complaints from different parts of different quarters of the schools. Though the teachers they are working very hard now, sometimes the students they are not sincere. This could be one of the reasons. Second reason is now for the past 2 years you can see right from 21, COVID. 22-23 there was this was for a biennial examination. Biennial means during the first semester examination there were only MCQ based questions. So there was no practice thankana. And in second examination this was comprehensive or subjective wise examination. So the practice karpak jaishili. So that practice, I think they were lagging in that practice. Number one, focus एक असू शकता. आणि मे बी हे 2 वर्षांनी तांच्यांनी तशें फोकसिंग अशें क्वेरी जालें आमचे कडेन की बिकॉज ऑफ द युसेज ऑफ कोर्स हाव यू यूज द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक गॅजेट्स इज मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट. सो तो एक जावं येता. दीज आर द फ्यू थिंग्स. This is if you compare to yes, this is 85, 86 or something. 86, 87 this was there. But this comes out to be the lowest one. You can check, give me the first slide.